Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. UMI's part number 6410 flip kit for 1973 to 1987 square bodies lowers the rear of your square body 6 inches. The cool thing about this kit is it does not require a frame notch, but if you would love to use a frame notch, you can use part number 6415 once again from UMI Performance. So the kit is 1/4 inch thick USA made steel, laser cut, bent and powder coated in-house. We have strong 5/8 inch U-bolts, once again USA made. Comes complete with all the necessary hardware and polyurethane bump stops. The 6410 kit is the easy way to lower your truck 6 inches in the rear. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.